How to fix Instagram DM or messages problem easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this, and then all what you have to do is go to apps and wait a few seconds until it will start loading. Now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. Now all what you have to do is click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back, click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions right here. Go back, click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is reopen Instagram. The problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.